In this video, I will show you the most profitable scalping trading strategy on my channel. I will teach you how to enter trades, where to put stop losses and take profit targets, both for short and long positions. I will also backtest this strategy 100 times and show you the results, so make sure to stick around to the very end. We start by opening TradingView. If you don't have an account, you can sign in with the link that is in the video description. So, we are currently looking at a 5-minute chart of Apple. Now let's introduce our indicators. For this strategy, we will be using only 2 indicators to scalp the market, so open up this Indicators tab, and let's add them to our chart. The first indicator we will be using is called Most Strategy, with Alert. We will be using this one, so just left-click it to apply it to your chart, and that's the first indicator. The second indicator we want to add to our chart is called Price/Volume Value Histogram. We will use this one by Demand 103, so left-click it. As you can see, the first indicator adds these buy and sell signals, and our second indicator is our volume indicator. We will be using both in order for this strategy to work to its full potential, but we first need to change a few settings. So like I said previously, our first indicator creates these buy and sell signals, so double-click either one of them, and you will open Settings panel for this particular indicator. Great, now let's open Inputs tab, and in here we change percent value from 2 to 1. Now, open Style tab and disable this quantity setting. We only need to change these 2 settings for this indicator, so once you're finished, press OK. Now let's modify our volume indicator. Double-click any area in this volume histogram, and you will open settings for this indicator. Now, in Inputs, change Lookback from 7 to 27. Also, we need to change EMA length value from 7 to 38. This middle value is fine as it is. Once you're finished, open Style tab, and in here, change this second plot option from histogram to line. Once again, press OK, and we are finished with modifying our indicators. Now let me show you how to trade using this scalping strategy, starting off with long position. In order to successfully execute a long trade, we need both of our indicators to confirm a bullish direction of this market, as well as our chart itself confirming that we are in a bullish pattern. So, to make things easier, I've come up with this very simple 3-rule strategy that will tell us exactly if we are in a bullish market and also if we can enter a long position. Let me explain what 3 rules we will be using for this scalping strategy. Rule number 1, wait for buy signal. This signal is created by our Most Strategy with Alert indicator. This indicator creates buy signals, as well as sell signals, but for our long position we will pay attention only to this buy signal. This is probably the easiest rule of them all, but we need to check it first, because it is essential for our strategy, and without it we can't move any further. Our next rule is that our volume line is above 0 level, meaning that it is green colored. This means that more people are buying into this market than actually selling, so the price will increase as more people buy. Now you can see why we changed our plot from histogram to line. We did it not only because it looks prettier, but also because we want to clearly see this cross-level signal, which indicates approximately when more buyers entered this market. So, when our volume crosses from negative numbers to positive ones, we know that we are in a bullish market direction. As you can see from our chart, we already have a buy signal and positive volume value, so now let's add our third and final rule, which is that our candle right next to our buy signal is bullish. This might seem like a useless rule, because since we are getting a buy signal, the candle should always be bullish, but be careful, because this candle can also be bearish. When the candle right next to our buy signal is bearish, we should never enter this position, because it might be a fake signal. So, let's try this strategy in action. All we need to do is follow our 3-rule strategy, and we will always enter long positions correctly. Let's check if all 3 of our conditions are met. First of all, we can see that our Most Strategy indicator gave us a buy signal. That's a rule number 1. Our second rule is that our volume is above 0 level, also confirming that we are in a bullish market. For our third and final rule, we need to check if the candle next to our buy signal is bullish, and as you can see, it is. Now that all 3 of our conditions are met, we can confidently enter a long position. Our stop loss will be placed at recent swing low, and the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. Now let's see how this plays out. Our bullish prediction was correct, and we made a profitable trade. If we were to trade with 2% of our account balance, we would have made around 4% of our account size. I highly recommend rewatching this part of the video if you still fail to understand how this strategy works, because right now I will explain how to enter a short position. For our short trades, we will be using same rules we set for our long position, but they will be reversed, so if you are paying close attention up to this point, you will understand these rules very quickly. So let's start with the rule number 1, which is that we must wait for sell signal. Our indicator, which gives us buy signals for our long position, can also give us a sell signal, which is essentially a bearish direction signal, so we will use it in our short trade. Our second rule is that our volume indicator must be below 0, meaning that more people are selling than buying. This is also an extremely important bearish pattern signal. As you can see, we also receive a cross signal, so we can see exactly when more sellers entered this market. Our third and final rule is that the candle right next to our sell signal must be bearish. In case of long position, we must be aware that a bearish candle next to a buy signal can mean a fake signal, and this is reversed in short trade. If we get a bullish candle next to our sell signal, we cannot enter this trade, because it is likely that the market will go to the opposite direction that we want it to go, so we will not enter. Let me show you how to short trade on an actual example. Just like with long trades, we also need to follow our 3-rule strategy while entering our short trades. So, let's begin. Rule number 1, sell signal. As you can see, this condition is met, so we can move forward and check our second rule, which is that our volume is colored red, meaning that it has a value below 0. Great, this condition is also met, so let's check our third and final rule, bearish candle. Our third and final condition is met as well, and we can enter this short trade. Our stop loss will be our recent swing high, and our take profit will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now that everything is set, let's see if our bearish prediction was correct. Our prediction was correct, and we executed a successful short trade. If we were to trade with 2% of our account size, we would have made around 3.22% profit just from this one trade. Now that everything that needed an explanation is explained, let me show you what results you can achieve using this method. Right now, you are watching a sped up footage of me back testing this strategy 100 times. I don't want to bore you with this time lapse, but I wanted to include this in my video because it took me a long time to back test this 100 times. Now, let's see what the results are like. The results are out, and they make this strategy the most profitable one on my channel. Out of all 100 trades, this trading strategy was profitable 81 times, meaning we got a 81% win rate strategy. With our initial account size set to $1,000, we grew our account by 646%, which is about $6,466. Our profit factor is 6.39, and Trader Edge gives our strategy score of 96 out of 100, meaning that this strategy works wonderfully. Now let's put this strategy on our list of profitable trading strategies. This strategy is the third one on our trading strategies Excel spreadsheet, and it is performing much better compared to our previous strategies. As we add more strategies to this list, we will compare them and we will eventually find the best trading strategy there is. So if you want to be a part of this journey, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.